Okay, good morning, all of you. Welcome back to weekend session. See, 41 members, 40 absents. Very nice. Okay, so today we can complete Git. Okay, enough. We are done so much on Git. ఏమైంది బాబు సమ్మర్ ఇది ఎవరు తక్కువ చేయమన్నారా guys? So today you will get entire notes on Git. Okay, so you just follow that notes. That's it. So I will add step-by-step process also, like conflicts process and everything. You just start from day 1 and complete to day 6. I will add everything from the steps. You can just follow that only. But very important thing is, first you need to understand git clone, git pull, git push, and how to create a branch, how to merge the branch. This is very important in real time. Conflicts, we can see if you'll get any conflicts, we can see later. I mean, we can see the Google any command, we can do it also. But process is very important, not a command. So, and today we can discuss on difference between git rebase and git merge, and git fetch, difference between git fetch and git pull, and git ignore. Yes, these are enough. And git cherry pick also. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, and from Monday we are going to start Terraform. Okay, so for that I need from you revise for all AWS topics. Okay, so custom network creation. Again, this is repeat for you. Whoever missed the AWS classes and not regular on AWS classes, you can focus now again. You will get it. And when I say Terraform, the prerequisite is not non-IT, not IT. Prerequisite is what I have discussed. That is the prerequisite. That is AWS. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me start. Okay, sorry. I need to change the chart, everyone, right? Yeah, please come. So, guys, and one thing, after Terraform, you can start preparation of your resume. Okay. Okay. First, we can discuss git ignore. Okay. Git ignore. Git ignore means very easy topic, but very important one. In your working directory, for example, app.py file, and here, for example, notes.pdf, something is there. Otherwise, file.txt, readme.md, something. So many files are there in my working directory. Okay, readme.md. So many files are there in my working directory. So as we know the process, if you add git add space dot, everything is going to add, right? And everything going to push. But we have some limitations in the git the space. I mean, whatever they have given for the installer version, I think 1 GB or 2 GB. More than file you are trying to move means we'll get an error. File contains large data, so we are refusing to the whatever request you are. So you will get that error. For that, what you need to do, guys, whatever you are going to develop the project, we need to push only scripts only, code, not for result, right? Not for nodes also. For example, you have prepared some nodes in your local. What app.py it does? Clear? So this is app.py contains this script. So my Python script will work from the step one. It will do after the activity, it will come to step two. Whatever you have written something, that is for your internal understanding. It will not, it is not a, this whatever the notes.pdf is a not official one. It's an unofficial one for your understanding. You are not supposed to push this one, right? GitHub. GitHub is real environment, means related scripts only you have to push, not for your understanding nodes, your photos, your videos. It's not like that, right? So you have to push app.py. In that case, you can do one thing, you can delete your stuff from here. You can push it. That one also possibilities are there. Otherwise, we can add a git ignore file. Git ignore is a file. Add a git ignore file. You can add the extension .py is not required, .ttc is not required, .pdfs are not required, or you can give the same file name also, no problem. If you add, if you push means whatever the content you are added into the git ignore file, those will not push into your GitHub. Is this clear? For example, let me show you something. In this Terraform series, especially it will more useful for Terraform series. If you run Terraform commands, so many local files are going to create. Those local files contains MBs. Okay, after run the command, those are going to create into your local. But those files not required to push into your GitHub. Script only. Whoever run the job, they need to clone and run their missions, right? Again, there and also those files will create. You no need to give these files. After run, those files will create only. In that case, if you try to push your files also, may you will get an error. Contains large data. You need to push only scripts only, not for configuration files. You will understand the Terraform series clearly. So if you can see in this, I have a .git ignore, right? I have a .git ignore. Means I have added these many files not required. If you run Terraform means state file will create. Terraform extension plugins will create. These will not require, right? If I push only Terraform script only. So what you need as a developer to, he need to clone and run their missions. Again, there and also this file will create. Again, they're trying to push this file, no need to push into GitHub remote repository. Clear? If I push this one also, definitely will get an error. It contains large data. Even not require these files, right? This is configurations for your local configurations. For example, to run Terraform, you have installed AWS CLI into your local. No need to push AWS CLI into Terraform, GitHub remote repository, right? CLI, the other person definitely they can need to install in their local mission. We no need to push CLI also. That is dependencies. Dependencies he need to handle. No need to push into your main repositories. Clear? For example, if you can see, I have added star.terraform.star. I mean, before any name will come, for example, test.terraform.dev, it will not create. It will not push. Any name is like x.terraform.y, it will not create. It will not move into the GitHub remote repository like that. For example, if I give star.etc, the file extension comes .etc, which will not move into the GitHub remote repository. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, I will show some lab you can understand very clearly. So let me take any fresh file directory. Okay. Let me go inside. So I'm going to add bash here. Okay. So I'm going to just clone any sample repository instead of mapping local to remote. So after complete your any tool, I'm going to add like this material also in the GitHub. Just this is for just GitHub reference only. So Maven introduction, artifacts, build lifecycle, dependencies like that. Git also I'm trying to add. Okay, Git introduction and Git day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 nodes. This is additional one. You can just go through it. I mean, all are in one place, just for understanding only. Okay, if I take any practice, is there anything is there in that? Okay, only file one is there. So I'm just trying to clone SSH. Paste it. Okay, ls cd practice. No, only file one is there. Now I'm going to add a .git ignore file. The .git ignore file will help to you. Whatever content is you are going to create with that extensions, it will not push into your GitHub remote repository. Is this clear? For example, vi dot git ignore. Okay, this is the file we need to create. Taking you into that. So I can give any name here. Sorry, insert star dot etc or star dot txt. For example, I have given dot star txt. First, I need to push this changes into GitHub remote repository. Okay, dot git ignore, this is a file, right? Okay, git add. So git status, if you can see, dot git ignore you have created first time. If you push means next time onwards, no need to push into dot git ignore. Whatever, if you are adding any changes, then only you can add into the push into the GitHub remote repository. Is this clear? Now dot git ignore I have added, in that I have created ignore txt.files. Let me push this one. Git add git commit -m updates ignore git push. Okay. Good morning. I missed few messages. Shivani Kirtana. Okay. Now let's go here. The practice. If I refresh, any new one will come. Which one that is? Very good. Dot ignore file. Inside txt file I have updated only. Okay. Now if you can come, if I create file.txt. Okay. File dot, sorry, touch, right? My file.txt is not a actual file for the repository related file. This is not a repository related file. I mean, it is not a my project related file. I mean, this is not a dependency for to run your project, that I can say. If my file.txt is not there, there is no any impact on my project. Okay. Okay. Anyway, git status. Why file.txt is not there? I have created, right? Okay, let me check ls. File.txt is there, right? Then why I'm unable to see? Okay, one more file I can create. File3.txt. Touch me, sir. Okay. So git status means Why it's not coming? That is the git ignore. In my git ignore, I have added already what? .txt ignore. Clear or not? Hey, .git ignore. You can ignore enter txt files. That's what it is not tracking txt files. It will not push the txt files into your GitHub remote repository. Let me, there is no status means there is no commit, right? Anyway, if you can try to give commit also, nothing is there. Your branch is up to date. What you need to commit? It is not tracking, right? Changes not tracking, no. Try to give git push also. Everything up to date. But in my working directory, file.txt is there, file3.txt is there. Is this clear? This is ignore. We can ignore these files. Same thing. You can add into your git vi.git ignore. You can clone it and you can again add .pdf files. Whatever you are mentioning, those will ignore it. Clear? Yes, very good. Okay. If I give git add means it will add? No. Git status again it will show. Nothing tracking. The reason is file.txt I have added into my ignore files. Star.txt means star means what? Any name. .txt. Okay, any name. Or you can give directly file1 also in the git ignore file. File1 it will not track. So simply git ignore means inside git ignore file, whatever you are updating, those is not updating into push. Those will not allow to push. That's it all. Is this clear? But sir, vi.gitignore we have added, right? vi.gitignore is the file. That's what I push into the remote repository in the first time. Okay. Second time, no need to create one more vi.gitignore, right? Gitignore already there. You just add your content in that. If you add something in that, again, you need to add commit push. Those files, it will not take it. Clear? va dot git ignore dot txt already there, right? For example, if I remove now, if I save it, if I give git status, see file.txt, file3.txt also showing. This one is modified. We have modified, right? Git ignore file. That's it. For example, if you added git ignore now, you have push. Okay. And later you have create. Okay. After push these changes into GitHub remote repository, again you have added va.gitignore, ignore this .txt files. Next time onwards, it will ignore. Already files push to remote repository, right? It will not modify anything. Once you clone and again push means definitely it will modify. Clear? Clear. Just for example, star.txt, whatever extension if you can give, or you can give list of files also here in that .gitignore. Those files will not track. That's it. Clear? What is gitignore? That's what I did now, right? Vishal, I have a push and again doing changes, right? You can modify it. It will not track. See, every time you can do it. There is no any limit. You can open, you can modify it, again you can push it. Yeah. Clear? You can do any R&D if required on this. The next important one is what, Nagarjuna, your question? So the star.txt files will be there in local. You have created local repository means what? No. See, without add, how it will come into the local repository? Clear or not? Nagarjuna. After add into staging area only, we can see into the local repository area. It is ignoring into tracking. It is not allowing even staging areas on how you can expect into the local repository. It will be there only working directory. That is my local directory. Clear? This is working directory. If I give ls means working directory. But in remote repository, I can see only this one only. Why? This two is not tracking staging area and local repository. That's what remote repository is not allowing. Okay, that's it for git ignore. And one more important one is okay. So simply ignore unnecessary files. Okay, unnecessary files. Example star.txt, star.pdf, whatever, or we can give direct file name also. Those will not track. That's it. Hidden files we are not going to push, right? Then why you need to ignore again? Clear? By default, it is ignore, right or not? Hidden files means dot indicates means that will not move. That already ignored. Ramesh. Anyway, your question is valid. I can understand. You can add dot .ssh into your ignore. Clear or not? Yeah, Prithviraj, same I discuss now. Right or not? File already there in the remote. If you add it in the GitHub, git ignore, it will remove from the remote repository. No. If you clone it, if you again add and push it, it will update into your branch, recent ones. Until then that it will be there. You know all the things and again ask questions. Anyway, what is next? Next topic. Guys, clear, right? No doubts, right? Online team. I know we can, it's very difficult response. Anyway, any good movies are there, guys, to watch this weekend? Which movies? Bhima. 12th file already I recommended. Again, you guys are recommended me. Huh? Gami. Whatever are Hindi or English. I like that movies. Huh? Saitan. Is it good? I think Madhavan movie, right? Gami. Is it good, Gami? Average. Anyway, in Ma TV Subhakankshi. Okay. Okay, guys, come to now here. Guys, here, if you can see GitHub remote repository, GitHub remote repository, this is working directory. Okay. This is working directory. Okay. Yes, this March, I think everyone knows, right? Ending is there is a long weekend. No, right? 7 days long weekend. Not for us, just working people. I'm saying that. Holy and one more. Huh? You don't know, guys? Good Friday, Holy. Yeah. See, Good Friday smile. This guy. Oh, sorry, Kirtana. We are unemployed, sir. No problem, yeah. I will take care. Huh? Next Good Friday, we can take holiday as an employee. Okay. Whoever taking training, your goal is, sir, do I need to wait for 1 year? No, your target, put a target. Is there any festival in January? No, January is also long. Dasara. So everyone take a holiday, Dasara, as employee. Okay. So stick on your minds. I need to apply leave in my office portal and Dasara. This is your target. Okay. Sir, which portal, which company, whatever it is. IT company portal, I need to apply my leave in Dasara. This is your target. Okay. Different target, right? You can take it, yeah, Vishal. Once if you do job, once you are in the IT industry 3 or 4 years, you can control everything. Until that, you are in their hands. After 3, 4 years, companies are in your hands. Clear? This is true. If you are agree or not, this is true. If you have a good knowledge after 3 or 4 years, or at least if you have a real-time project, if you done 2, 3 real-time projects, companies are follows you, not you follow the company. Clear? Agree or not? Agree or not? Let me show something. Anyway, recently I have accepted 4 offers. One offer. Anyone from Virtusa here? Virtusa company. No, right? Then I will reveal everything. Let me show something. Is this mail ID? I think Shivaji Nayan. Something name is there, yeah. I have accepted offer. He sent a note to my home. Shokaj notice. Immediately joined with Virtusa. I have because of accepted the offer. I have seen so many stories like that. Anyway. Hmm? Even I haven't onboarded there. Just have accepted offer only. Okay, let me go with that notice. Yesterday only I have received. Let me choose. Sorry. Is this correct or not? Mail ID? I think the different one. Huh? Okay. Hmm. He's trying to reach me. Okay. I have accepted offer only. See the mail. It is been intimated that you have been on uninformed absence. I haven't joined Virtusa, but he's sending mail. Uninformed absence. So please revert to this note by tomorrow morning 11 a.m. I haven't given any revert. Okay. After that, his reporting manager is called me and director. After that, his vice president is called me. Okay. I'm getting more than 15 calls from his directors and something. The reason is, see, After onboarding process only, they have to confirm this guy is ready to join in Virtusa, right? Before that, what he did, there is a huge requirement in the big data platform, something. I know big platform also. He is shared my profile to directly client. He is agreed with, he's after, I know, verify the profile and everything. He is okay with that guy. Okay, immediately onboard this guy. Is whatever skills are exactly matched our project. Client is set. Immediately he is call me that, okay, we are good to go. So we are going to release the offer. What you are expecting, more than 15% he's added. I haven't asked anything. He given more than 15% offer. I said, okay. The date is came to join onboarding. I realized the things right. What the reason is they have offered huge what I have expected. But what my thought is, if they are giving more offer, means definitely work is more. This is true. But I thought if I go there, definitely managing the things is very difficult here and there. Okay, they are waiting for me means definitely so much of work is there, right? I realized, I said, okay, I'm not going to join. Last day itself, sorry, I'm not going to join. I'm going to continue my current existing company only. There match my whatever you are offering. Again, they call me. We are ready to go on top of the again 20-30%. Again, it's going to, so whatever what I expected that offer, they are going to reach me in that. So finally, I said, I'm not interested to join in your company. I said clearly. So many of you, so many of they call and say, this is the director. You know, if I say anything, you are not hired for any company, like the stories they are saying. I ask only one. Did I join your company? Onboarding? Did I receive any ID? Did I receive any laptop? Then why you can say that? Again, he sends some showcase notice. So we have already informed to client. So client is expecting for your presence something. That is your problem, right? Even companies also, after hire the employees, if there is no work, simply they can see, they can, whatever reason they can say that, right? Your BGB fail, or your something, your leaves are not good. Definitely, guys, your presence is not required in any company. Definitely, they can say so many stories. Even small reason, if you come late today, also they can start some BGB process and backend. Whatever they need is some reason. That's it. Okay, so he sent us some notice, showcase notice also. Somewhere is there. Yesterday I received my, they sent offline copy to my home also. No need to panic, guys. These guys are, I have seen so many guys like this, so many companies. But in your case, if you have any less experience, maybe you can panic at the time. You immediately go and join, right? Why we need to go and join? It is our choice, right? It is our choice. We can accept so many offers. Final day, we can decide which offer it is better. They know also, right or not? If you got one offer today, you have accepted. Later, you got one more offer. Definitely, you have to join there. They are not following ethics. Companies are not following ethics. I can say that. They need good person only. If you are not doing what they are expecting, immediately they are not following any ethics. They can show any reason. Your hair also, whatever. If you are playing something in your work environment, else they are not like. Okay, dress, uniform, whatever, dress code, whatever reason they can show. Maybe at the time you surprise. These are very small reasons why they are ready to fire me. But the reason is your presence is not required for that company at that time only. If they say sorry, no work, can you move to other company? Will you agree with that? It is your fault to get a projects, right? Definitely you can question them. That's what they can show different stories. So be strong yourself. Your presence required for everyone. Okay, that's it. Anyway, come to here. So working directory, GitHub, corporate jungle. This is true. What Amit Vikram Singh is saying. One more fact. The whatever the issues is going to rise by Virtusa, 3 months notice period is official Virtusa, but they are looking employee in 10 days joining. Is it good? They are not ready to relieve the employees in 3 months. I mean, within 10 days or 15 days, but they're expecting from the employees from the other organization in 10 days. Situation is at this time, situation is like that only. You are not willing to. No, I'm not in LinkedIn. I worked with Virtuosa developer. Very good. Don't say that, huh? I'm working here. Also, no problem. Also, no problem. Yes, they say to join immediately, but they are not willing to reveal their employee in 1 week, 10 days, 15 days. Again, they send a notice. You have to pay notice period amount, 2 months, short notice, 3 months. They're asking like that. Definitely, companies are not following ethics. Okay. We are also no need to follow ethics. This is true. You believe your hard work. That's it. Whoever is giving, ready to give more pay, more benefits, go and join. Simply that's it only. Array, I have accepted offer. This is the first company. If I'm not going to join this company status, what it will be there in the future? Don't think like that. Okay. They will also understand. They will hire other people in front in behalf of you. So more offer, more benefits. That's it. Ramesh, we can start like this. Yes, that also done from my end already. Okay. See, Priyanka, multiple offers. If you have one offer, that offer will create multiple offers. That's it only. Why? That is confidence. If you have one offer now, believe me, guys, one thing. If you crack this, the first offer, maybe you did lot of work, more struggle at the time of interview. Okay. With that one offer, if you're attending second interview, na, definitely will crack that second interview. The reason is confidence. I have already one offer, right? Definitely the confidence is different. Confidence levels are different. That's what if anyone crack one into if anyone having one offer letter after 10, 15 or one month, it will be created into 3 or 4 offers. That is confidence. Okay, but to crack the first job, maybe it will take 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months also. The reason is you may feel at the time of pressure like I don't have any offers. This is very important. Like that, the pressure, definitely you are into the wrong direction at the time. You know the answer, but you are unable to express at the time due to some pressure. But if you have any offer, definitely your confidence level are in the next level. Definitely you can crack the multiple jobs. If they ask to join immediately, one tip to you, don't say I'm on the bench. They're willing to release in 1 day. Don't say. If you say that, they're immediately they are not hire you. You have to say, my project recently got completed. I'm in the supporting mode. So my presence at this time is not required for my team. They can handle. So I'm willing to join immediately. Already I had a word with my HR. They are also said same thing. If you are willing to go any further offers for bright future, we are also encourage you. If required, I will send a mail. Send a mail to your friend, take a screenshot and send to them. They don't know, right, which HR it is. How to buy time to join from recruiters. Buyout option, right? You are asking. Buyout option means that is first your company is willing to pay that. Next company, I'm not getting here. C1 got an offer. Okay. So in any interview, there is a common question. Do you have any offer in your hand? The reason is they're be ready to pay on top of whatever offer in your hand. Okay, they can understand now. And then if they ask to join immediately means not tomorrow and day after tomorrow, right? Immediately means at least 1 week or 10 days. Okay, 1 week, 10 days, you have to negotiate with your current company. Is that any possibilities are there? Then you can say them. I will join in 10 days. Also, we can do it one thing also. First, you can say, yes, I can join in immediately. After process and everything, release the offer, you can say some story. Unfortunately, we have grandmothers, grandfather, fathers, right? So unfortunately, start from that. So I need some time, 10 days, 15 days. But why I'm saying now, already your profile, everything is processed in your new organization. They may send your profile to already client also. Onboarding and all are ready now. At this time, if they are if they are trying for new employee, new person, again, it will take 30 days or something time, right? They will think instead of take new person and process the profile, okay, we can agree with this guy. You can extend 15 days. Clear? In the COVID time, we play so many tricks, right? I tested positive, report, and ask one time. Like that, you can play so many stories like that. But don't say before. If you say before, they are not process your profile. Okay. Yes. And also one more, whoever working now, one more tip, note it here. If you are trying to searching any job from today, for example, send a mail to your colleague, like resignation letter to your colleague, not your manager and HR. Take a screenshot, keep it with you. In interviews, they will definitely ask if you are willing to join in 30 days, are you on the bench or are you on the already serving notice period? They will ask, yes, I'm serving notice period. Then show me your mail ID, official mail ID for resignation mail ID. Immediately you can send that mail. Already you have sent to your colleague, right? You can show them. No one will ask, who is this guy? Already extension is there, right? If you are in an organization, for example, Virtusa, they will believe. Don't send mail to your brother and sister and your mom, okay? That will not work out. The mail extension should be your company name. Then they will believe. Okay? He is my loop manager. That's what I have sent mail. Okay. You can ping me, Priyanka. I will give so many tips like that. Okay. Anyway, be careful, guys. This is very, very important tips. Okay. Hmm. Agreement. No, yeah. No agreement. Fresher, na? Fresher sometimes is there. Even though if you break that agreement also no problem. Okay. You know one thing? Companies also break their agreement, you know. If you're not doing something, they will break your agreement. So you can break their agreement also. But for that, you have a strong knowledge. If you have a just knowledge 1 year, you know, definitely you will crack the one more interview. You can say that no agreement is there means you don't do anything in the company. They will remove some definitely. 1 week, 10 days, apply leave. And next apply for 1 week leave. And apply next sick leave. Whatever leaves we have, just use it. And once you again, you don't do anything. I don't know something. I don't know something. You just say that immediately they can reveal you. They will break the agreement. But if they ask pay back whatever amount is there, no need to pay. No, I will stick here only for 2 years. Again, don't do anything. They will break the agreement. Seriously, this is workout. Noted? What should be the duration time between mail and interview? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 week. Depends on the requirement. Agreement. Priyanka, I think you are not a fresher, right? Why you are focusing more things? Agreement means, guys, simple. If you are agreed with a 2 years with the work with your company, if you got any good offer, but my suggestion is continue 2 years. Don't come out from 1 year, 6 months. At least you can do 2 years, no problem. Learn something, learn things, and then come. Don't break the agreement. If you are tried, if you don't have any options, you got a MS offer, you got a some like that offers, will not repeat and again. At that time, you can ask to that. See, I have a good offer. Can you please request? Try to request first. Don't play the whatever no in your hand. Just request them first. Okay, explain your problem 2, 3 times. If they're not listening, you are if you are thinking yes, I'm a valid reason. I have a valid reason, but they are not agree means then you can start your role, whatever things in your packet. Sir, I'm working in one company. I'm planning to switch to other company, but my manager neither release me or nor increase the salary. Give me one tip to get released from the project, sir. Anyone? Sell your laptop to other. Yes, just small kidding, okay? Don't do that. Okay. Just request your manager first. Explain stories. Again, stories. What are the stories? See, I have so many things. I have to take care of my father and mother and my relatives also in my home only. I'm the only source, but this is, whatever I'm getting now, this is not sufficient for me. But this company is very nice. I like the work life balance, and you, like manager, I like this work, and how you are engaging work, I really appreciate. But the thing is, I need more. I'm looking, the thing is, so many dependencies. If you match that offer, definitely I will continue here. Otherwise, please, whatever things I'm explaining you, relieve me. Two things. No, 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 I'm not going to increase whatever stories are there. Again, you can start your, everyone knows, right, what we can do. Don't do anything. I don't know that. If they ask, sorry, I need to work on that. Postpone your work. Definitely client will ask to your manager. Your manager is to do something. No, I don't know. Immediately look for others. That's it. Sir, class. Yes, yes. Kirtana coming there. Guys, please. We can plan later. Huh? We can. That's what I'm spending the time on this. Okay, working directory, GitHub, right? Guys, if you apply git pull, git clone, what happens? So here file one is there means file one there means this file one will update where? Local repository or working directory? Directly working directory. Directly into the working directory. We have already seen, right? Those changes. This is called fast forward. I mean, working directory means it has to come through local and working directory. We cannot bypass it, right? You are going through staging area, local and push, and you have to come same working directory. So this is fast forward. Directly you can come through working directory. If you can observe or not, sometimes if you are giving git pull also, fast forward is not acceptable. Aborted request is aborted. If you see this error, already I think a couple of people have seen this error. So you can use the, okay, before this error we can discuss. Topic is interview question. This is difference between git pull, git fetch. Okay, git pull and git fetch. Okay. Local repository, guys, this is. So git fetch means the request will come to here only, not working directory, to remote repository. Okay. Okay. And later it will come to working directory if you are using git merge only. You know git merge, right? After merge, one more commit is going to add. So can I say git pull equal to git fetch plus git merge? Guys? Hmm? Git pull equal to git fetch plus git merge? The reason is if you are giving git pull directly, it will, or git clone directly, it is present into the working directory. But if you are using git fetch, whatever changes in remote repository you are unable to see in the working directory. After git merge, you can see the working directory also, those changes. Is this clear, everyone? Let's do the practice now. So in my case, file one only there in my remote repository, right? So let me add one more file in my remote repository. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to add one more file. How to create file? So add file, create new file, file 2, sorry, file 2. Okay, something high, something. Commit changes. So you need to understand other developer push these changes. So instead of doing that, I am doing changes directly into the remote repository. So if I give git pull, the changes will update, right? Clear or not? If I give git pull, if I give git push, error will come, right? Committed is different, right? In your local and remote. So if I give git pull, it will ask one pop-up and merge it, right? So instead of doing that, git log, you can see my origin, my head is in 15d672. But in real, it is not like that. A different commit. I have do some changes, right? I have done some changes, right? So now if I give git pull means I'm able to see file to also in my working directory. Clear or not? It will ask some merge request. After merge, it is coming to that working directory. Otherwise, if there is no conflicts, directly it will come working directory if you are giving git pull. Now in this case, directly it will come. I'm not trying to push anything. If I git pull means changes will update into directly into working directory. Is this clear, everyone? No. If I give git fetch, okay. If I give ls, file 2 is not there. So immediately you can give git merge. ls, file 2 is there. Clear? Now you can give git log. Created a file 2. Clear? Now you are in the same repository, same commit ID. Now you can add push something. Clear? So this is the difference between git pull and git fetch plus git merge. There is no much use in this. In real time also you are not using anywhere, git pull only. Use means your git pull is not working. For example, some commit is ahead. You can use git fetch plus git merge. I mean, if you are giving git pull also, it is taking into your merge page, right? That is indirectly you are doing git fetch plus git merge only. Indirectly you are doing that. So instead of doing like that, you can give git. If you are unable to push your changes, you can give git fetch plus git merge also. Or if you are giving git pull, it is taking you into the merge page only. The indirectly it is performing the backend git fetch plus git merge only. Is this clear? That's what I'm saying, Sharma. Git fetch, if any commits are pending, if you're trying to push, okay, let's do it. Touch file for I have created, git add, git commit. So if I give git commit here, so just updates I'm giving here. I have given git file for commit. Now you can come here also one more file I'm going to create. Test something. Clear? Two commits. If you can see, test is recent commit, right? A966. My end git log A966 is not there. 13A65 is there. 13A65 is there. 13A65 is the recent before one. I think so. Sorry. Okay, let me come here. Okay, 13A65 is my, now whatever I have added file. This 13A65 is not there, right? You can see somewhere something anywhere. So if I add means these are whatever lag I have, these are need to update into my local local repository, then only I can able to push changes, right? If I give now, for example, git push, I'm trying to push 13A65 on top of 7E79 ECB. While creating file to 79 ECB is there. But after do some changes, remote repository, some other commit is already there now. So this is not tracking now to update 13A65. So definitely what I need to do, if I give git push, we'll get an error. Clear? So if you can give git pull, it is taking you into the merge page. You need to merge and it is updated into the working directory. Indirectly, it is a fetch plus merge only. So indirectly, you can give directly git fetch also. Merge means what? The remote, whatever changes are there, you are going to merge it into your directory. Now you can push your changes. Clear? It is asking some request. You can give here something. Insert required merge. Clear? Now you can ls. See, all are coming here. Now you are in the track now. Now your file is going to update on top of your previous commit. Clear? Now git log, you are in track 6D7F, right? Go there, refresh 6D7F. The latest merge request, merge branch, and created file is A966. Is this clear? Okay. So I'm going to give only one task to you. Again, I'm going to add one more file. Sorry. I'm going to add one more file here. You just add one more file here and come to add one more file here. Instead of that, we can use git pull or git fetch plus merge. Or we have one more option, git pull -- rebase. Okay. Try this command. What you observe, let me know the difference. Okay. But it will work. It will work. You are able to pull, you are able to push next time. Like, but if you are using git pull -- rebase or git fetch plus git merge, what is the difference between these two commands? Let me know Monday class. This is your work only I am giving, but this will work. Whatever, you just go through it. What is the difference between git pull and -- rebase? And you can add in your notes what it does. Okay. If you're Monday, I will ask you. If you are difficult means I will explain Monday also. Just 15 minutes only, 10 minutes. Clear, guys? Madhuri, if you are getting already up to date means you can go and check your remote repository same as a working directory. No changes. Git fetch is pull the changes remote repository to local repository only. Git fetch. Git pull is remote repository to working directory. So your changes only you can fetch from remote to local repo only. If it want to present into working directory, you need to merge it. That is command. Git pull equal to git merge plus, sorry, git fetch plus git merge equal to git pull. Okay, it changes only when you see the git merge. Yes. Then it is not merging. Then you can merge it. Okay. Guys, merge means what? Why we need to merge? If there is a different changes, we are going to merge it into one file. Clear or not? If you only one person is working with the one branch, is it really required to merging? No, you are the only one branch. But while adding into the main branch, at that time you have to take care of that. Clear? Okay. I will share everything. That's what I am. Everything I will share it today. Everything. Okay. Guys, how to create a branch? Git branch, or we can use one more command, git checkout -b means we can create a branch and check out into that branch. Direct command. You can give the branch name. I'm giving test. C means I'm in the test branch, also test also created. Git checkout -b. But yesterday we discussed only git branch and git branches to see that, right? Git checkout. Okay. Now I'm in the test branch. Can I see all files here? All main files here? Why no? From the main I have created branch means downstream all files will come, right? Then if it is not come means you have to create all files again? No, right? If you are creating a branch from any main branch, those files will reflect into your branch, creating branch from other branch. If you are, let me take one more. I will explain here. Okay. For example, this is main branch. Okay, main branch. Okay, main branch. Now file 1, file 2 is there. You don't have access to work directly in the main branch. You have to create your new branch and work on that. You create a new branch. You create a new branch. The name is something anyway. Test. So these all files will come here immediately. Clear or not? Okay. Now you are going to add your content. For example, file 3. The file 3 will be created in main also? No. This is upstream. Creating downstream branch means these are all come to file 1, file 3. Just to understand water flow otherwise. Water flow is coming like this way. But water flow will not go here, right? Sir, I will fix motor something. That is different story. Please. File 1, file 2 is coming like this way. Now, you can fix the motor to go file 3 to here. Clear? File 3 will come. What is this process? Merge process. Clear? Merging process. Once you do merge means this file 3 will go to file main branch. Merge to where? Test to main. Is this clear everyone now? Clear guys? Okay. Yes, Nagarjuna, you are correct. Could we have any conflicts in the merging? Yes, same. See, whenever you are merging the files, right? We've seen already some issues, right? Conflicts. Same conflicts here also will come. Same process. How to rectify that? If same file means we have to fix which line is correct. Then you can merge it. Same process. For example, same process, guys. File 1, file 2 is there. File 3 is there, right? Okay, let's come now. If you have any doubts, just focus here. I'm in the test branch, right? I'm in the test branch. So also files all are there. File 1, file 2, file 4, test something all are there. Now, git status, all are up to date. I haven't added anything. If you're going to add, for example, touch file 9, just added. Now, git add file and you can give right. Git commit -m updates. Okay. So git log. So my update commit is this one, right? If I want to merge this one into main branch, what I need to do? If I give git push here, pull request will create. You can go on to pull request. You can assign to your manager. Your manager will merge the request into main. This process we have done. If it is a command base, switch to, okay, I'm going to create one more commit. I'm going to create one more commit. For example, touch file 10. Touch file 10. Git add file 10 are all. Git commit -m updates file 10. Git log. How many commits are there now? Pending. 2 commits, right? If you can see, this is my origin. 2 commits are pending ahead. If you push means this origin will move to here. All are in track. Clear or not? So now I'm in the test branch. If I want to merge these files into main branch, what I need to do? 2 options. If I push here, better to give pull first. If I push here, pull request will create. Clear or not? Yesterday we have seen. Otherwise, if you have a permission to merge it, what you can do? Okay, you can push here. Why it's coming here? Anyway, before, let me pull. Also, we'll get an error, I think. So test branch is not there, right? In my remote. Clear or not? See, now you tell me, is there any conflicts will come? For example, main branch, I'm going to create some content. If I give git pull, is there any conflicts will come? Understand? My question is very clear, guys. If I do some changes in my main branch now, remotely, okay? Without pull here, I'm going to push my changes. Is there an impact? Is there an impact? Understand my question again. You are not understanding my question clearly. That's what branches, right? You are in which branch? You are doing changes in which branch? I said main branch. What is the conflicts here? You both are in different branches, right? Why conflicts will come? When conflicts will come? If you are yes, same branch, and now you are going to merge to main branch, then conflicts will come. Clear? Why? While you are cloning time, main is only 3 files, but you are adding time, different file is their main time. What you need to do? You just apply pull again, you can merge it. That's it. Clear? See, for example, git merge. How to merge it here? First, we need to do git push, right? Git push means these changes will reflect into my test branch. Then only you are going to merge it into main branch. First, your request is not in GitHub. I need to take it into the GitHub, this request. For that, git push also will not work. Why? Again, question here. Git push means test branch is not there directly, right? So I need to give git push. If you can give git push, it will give suggestions also. Set upstream, right? There is no test branch in my remote. So set upstream origin as a test. Same like manual mapping. Okay, I don't have test branch in my remote, right? If you push means it will understand main branch. If you are in the main branch, you are able to push. Both branches are same. But you are in the local branch is test. You are trying to push same branch in remote also. But remote test is not there, right? So if you can go on, test is created locally only. If you can go here, refresh, which one I have cloned? No, repo. Test, right? Go to test. For test repository, how many branches are there? Only main branch is there. There is no test. Sir, I have created na, sir. You have created locally. Until you push, branch is not reflect here. Clear the point. Now, if I push after set upstream origin test, okay. So now you can push now. Git push. Which file you have added here? We'll see after complete the git push. Everything up to date. I clone which repository practice now? Sorry. Okay, I did mistake, right? Hmm. But it is checking for test, right? Anyway, it is updated in practice. Why it is taking like that? Okay, I have given wrong upstream, right? Oh, correct only, na. Correct only. See here, updated, right? Okay, anyway. So if I compare pull request means it will create a pull request and we can assign someone and they can merge your request. Your request means whatever file you have created, it is going to the save into your main. I have created, I think, file 10 something. That file 10 will come. Instead of doing that, can I do it from here? Your manager is verified everything. So instead of merge into console itself and main, merge itself like after compare pull request, the merge is need to click right. Instead of doing manually, can I do it by console command also? Yes. What I need to do? Come to main branch first. Git checkout to main branch. So then push, right? Okay. Sorted effect. What I need to do now? Merge into test. Done. Now two files will come into your main. Here the request will see whatever the changes it gone here. Okay. After that I need to push right after merge. So merge changes into main, right? That I need to push to reflect into your remote repository. See here, we are doing locally merge, right? If it has to reflect means I need to push it into the remote. Remote side also it will update. Clear? Updated. Whatever. File 9, file 10. While push time, if you are getting error conflicts, you need to pull first and again push it. Sir, we can do, see, this merging we can do here also and there also, no problem. No problem. But see, here you need to understand, guys. Merging command is Linux command, git command. If you have access to git checkout main, you are able to push. Clear or not? But main access, you know, you don't have main access means you are unable to check out also here. Clear? If your push means you don't have access for main, you will get. Same like console also. Yeah. So one more topic, git cherry pick. Cherry pick is nothing but very simple. So if you are giving git merge means it will take all requests and add all topics on top of that, right? For example, wait, please focus here, guys. I'm in main branch, right? Again, let me check out to test branch. Now both are same line, right? Test main are same line, right? Anyway, I'm going to create one more file 20, file 30. Okay. Okay. Git add, git commit, last command, guys. Git log. One commit ahead, right? Now git log. One commit ahead, right? This is remote. We are in the track. Now I'm going to create one more. Touch file 100K. Okay, okay, wait for 1 minute. Git add. Now git commit -m. Updates 100K. Clear? So git log. If you can see here, I'm able to see 2 commits. Git cherry pick is nothing but I don't want 2 updates into my main. Clear? I don't want 2 updates into my main. If you can see the previous, what we did, all files updated, 2 files also updated, but I need only 1 file. But I need only 1 minute. Just a minute, guys. Okay. So I need only 1 file. You can give the commit ID, git cherry pick commit ID. It is going to push. That's it only. Is this clear? Sir, is really we are using me? If you are asking me, we are not using in the real time. I mean, these situations are very, very, very rare. Okay, but in interviews, they may ask these questions. Okay, let's come now. So in my test, if I push means these 2 will go into my test environment, right? Git push. These 2 changes will go to where? My test branch file 10K, whatever file 100K, file 20K is going to add into my test branch. But while merging time, not required for 2. I can give only. Clear? Otherwise, you can push also only 1. Now, I'm in the test, right? Git checkout to where? If I merge means the 2 commits will merge into my test, right? But here we can use git cherry pick, only merge the respect to commit ID only. Clear? You can take from here also or there also, no problem. So I need only this file into merge, not all. Done. Now git push. I mean main. I have added some request into main. Now I'm going to push into remote repository for update. This is very easy process, guys. If you are confused means just sit 3-4 hours continuously for understanding. Now let's come and refresh. I'm in the main branch, right? What commit I have added into main branch? Huh? See file 20, right? But file 100 is not coming. See, clear? File 100 is not coming. File 100 still in test branch. If you can go and check. File 100K is still in test branch. Why? If you can come here, file 100K commit is This one. If you merge means it will come in everything, but cherry pick will allow only this commit, not all. Clear? This is Git moderate to advanced level. You can ask any senior in the DevOps guy, what is Git cherry pick? They ask, give half an hour time to understand. Everyone same situation only. If you ask me after 1 month also, see, I'm giving trainings, that's what I know, right? But I'm not giving trainings now. I don't know Git cherry pick also. I need to check in Google, I need to do it. That's it only. See, how can I remember all those things? Right or not? If I'm focusing on, for example, Kubernetes, I'm working in Kubernetes closely. I'm a DevOps engineer. If someone will come and ask what is Git cherry pick means, 3 years back I used with that. Let me look on it once. Same answer will get. In interview also, if they ask cherry pick, you can say, I don't know. You cannot say, I don't know. I worked 3 years back. I think it's related to some commit. That's it. It's related to some commit and merge. Okay. I need to refresh. I need to refresh a few skills on that. That's it only. Don't say, I don't know cherry pick, what it is. This is Git, guys. So I'm going to share the entire notes to you. Just follow the notes, conflicts and everything. So we have discussed branchings and at all. So now you need to practice. Is this on main or test? What is the output of GitLab to check the commit history? I mean main means it is main. I mean test means if I'm in test means if it is test. Clear? So sir, what soft reset? If I say that, may you will okay. Soft reset, hard reset means, guys. Okay, theory, I'll just I say you just do it. Soft reset means we have a 3 resets: soft, hard, moderate. Default head reset means moderate. No need to give moderate reset. Soft means if you are mentioning before reset command. You know, reset command is what? What it does? Hit reset head tilde 1 means not one commit. It is taking into working directory directly. Clear or not? If you're giving soft means it is taking into unstaging area, not working directory. Three ways. Git mixed means mixed reset. Mixed no need to mention. By default, Git reset means mixed reset it is. If you are giving mixed reset means, I mean Git reset means it is take you the request into working directly. Again, if you want to remove from the working directory, I mean discard from the working directory, you have to give git rebase file name. Clear or not? It will, sorry, restore, not rebase. Git restore file name, it is discard from the working directory also. If you are giving soft reset means it will not go to directly working directory, it will go to unstaging area. If it is giving git hard means directly it will remove from working directory also. Three are the 3 different scenarios. Clear? Soft means 1 step back. Mixed means it is taking into working directory. You can say 2 steps back. Hard means entire the file will remove from the local directory. So we are not using, don't use in the real time also. It will remove everything. So stick and just git reset only. That's what I'm not explaining this thing. Danger commands, these are. But I have given notes. You can see that in the theory part, in the entry part, time in entry point of it will help maybe if they will ask. That's it only. Sir, we need to be in main or master branch for cherry pick. Leave it for master. There is no master in my end. Main. I'm in the main. So my remote also main. Required one more time. Cherry pick I will show if required. Online team. If required means I will show you one more time. Yes, this is clear. This is I want from you guys. If you are not understand straightforward, sir, I need one more time so that I can explain here. Okay, come. I'm in the main branch, right? I'm in the main branch. Okay. If you are having any doubts, branching concept, also one more time, just focus here. How to create a branch and all. So my main branch is there. All some few files are there. So new person is coming to the team. So he need to create a branch from the main branch. So here question is, you need to create a branch from main branch, not for other branches. When I say other branch test, so many branches are there. Those are not final branches, that those created by your colleagues. If you create branch from those branches, you will not get updated one. Main means updated one, right? Wanted. What is required? So you need to create a branch from the main branch always. I mean, final branch. If it is a main or master in your point, if I don't know, but final branch. For example, one person is joined into the team. So he clone everything from the main. Clone into main, clone from the main to his local. Now he need to create a branch first, right? So the requirement is, in the main branch, what are files are there? You need to add your content on top of that. As a developer, you need to push into your branch, and we can verify and add into that main branch. How do you have main branch access to create a branch? I don't know your question. Seriously, how do you have main branch access to create a branch? You're asking branching creation, branching permissions. I think creation of branch. No, by default, you can create any branch. It's your wish. Branch is your wish. But is there any impact to create multiple branches? Until merge, we don't have any impact, right? You are not a merge. You don't have access to merge. Then we don't have any problem. But if I give access to merge request, merge access also, I mean, merge into main access also, definitely I will worry if you are creating multiple branches. Clear or not? So if you are working today one branch, tomorrow one branch, Sunday one branch, Monday one branch, Tuesday one branch, I don't have any access. But you need to come up with the which one is the final from your end. Then I'm going to merge that branch into main. You can merge Sunday branch, you can merge Monday branch. Definitely problems will come, right? You need to come up with the first final branch. Some issues are there, you can delete immediately branch, no problem. You can create again branch from the main. Branch is your wish. Clear now? Now git branch, how to create? You can select git branch to check how many branches are there also. I have only main and test, but here indicates is I'm in the main branch. So you can create a branch, test already there. You can create dev. I have created dev branch. So the first step is I'm not in dev branch, create a dev. See, indicates still main. Otherwise, you can use the git checkout -b command, directly create and checkout. No, sir, I can go. Okay, you can go this way also. Now I need to check out dev. See, I mean, dev indicates. But files also will come from the main. I created branch from the main branch. See. Okay, this is branching strategy. If you create branch from the upstream to downstream, upstream files will come to downstream files. But downstream files will not go to upstream until you merge it. That's what we need to switch on motor, right? Okay. Now I'm in the dev, right? So I just add anything. I can add any content here. Touch file or whatever, touch demo, whatever, or add same content in that. I'm going to add now git add, git commit -m, demo updates. So I just added so many files, so many contents. So commits will increase, right? Again, I'm going to add touch today file. So git add, git commit -m today. So again, I'm going to commit this one also. Like that, I'm keep on increasing the commits. But finally, you can understand which commit is required. Otherwise, you can add if you merge means all commits is going to add into your main branch. Okay, guys, you tell me one thing. If I merge means I have created now how many files? 2. Today, demo. If I merge means both file will come, only one file will come. Both files will come. That is a merge. No, I need only one file. Cherry pick the respective file, go to the commit and check the commit, and you can push it. This is clear now? Okay, let me try. So git log, if you can see here, still 2 commits pending. So remote indicates this one. Clear? Now, if I want to merge, what I need to do? First check out to main. Clear or not? Before that, I need to push these changes into remote. Okay. Sorted effect. Git push means these changes will go to main branch. Will it go to main branch? Then why you are worrying? Push it. Your branch only, right? So dev not there. So set upstream. It has to go dev branch. This command, right? Why? There is no dev branch in the remote. That's what I'm going to set it. Now upstream branch is done. Now you can push dev is there. Once again, I'm saying rebase. Okay. Now git push, right? So whatever, if I use git push, all changes will go. Sir, it will go first commit, second commit. It is not like that. All commits, it will go to your remote. Same, if I give now ls, same files I can see in the remote also. Clear? Now, shall I merge this all into my main or not? This is question will rise now. So still I'm in dev. If I want to add all files into my main, all files means, for example, these files already there in main. And whatever files are not there, it is going to add on top of that into your main. For that, if I'm going to add merge, already one pull request already raised, right? Push means one pull request is showing here, pending here. If you can see, go on there here. So now you can click here and do manually, or leave that. You just raise the pull request. Your manager will get some notification and he will open here. Git checkout. You need to push to where? Merge to where? Main. Git checkout. If you have permission, you also do it. Git checkout. To where? Main. Why? We are merging into main. That's what you come to main. If you are merging into test, you have to come to test. If you are merging into dev, you have to come to dev. If it is in test, okay? Now I'm in main. Okay. I'm going to take the request from dev. Main, I'm in main. Okay. See here. I'm here now. I'm going to take the request from test branch. This guy said, I have done everything. Test means dev in our case. Okay. So this guy said, all are done. Okay. Let me take these changes into my main. This is final one, right? I mean, dev or test or prod, different story. To take this one, I need to merge it. Take means I should be in the main. That's what I switch to main. Clear? Now the question will come. Should I take all changes or only respect to commit? Here, cherry pick will come into the picture. So my main decide not required all commits. Pick only one commit. Pick only one commit. What is that commit? You can take from here or you can take from remote. Already push, right? This will update into there. So for example, today demo is there. I can take only demo. If you are not giving cherry pick means this two also will go into your main. Clear or not? Understand that difference. Now if I'm giving, I'm taking my main branch guy taking this commit only, not all commits. Clear? Now if you can go, whatever commit ID you have given the cherry pick, the respective file will update into your main only, not all. Clear now? Okay, I have taken which one here? 17A demo file. Now you can come and refresh to main. Okay, sorry. I need to push it, right? Clear or not? Still, it is in local. I need to push to publish these changes into remote. After mergers, you have to publish, right? If you are doing directly in the remote repository, no problem. Directly it will update into there. Now refresh. file is coming. File is came demo. Clear? Only one file is coming. But in our updates, respective file will not come. It is not coming. The reason today file is not coming. You have merged into only this commit by using a cherry pick. This is the story about Git. Okay, practice it. If you feel struggle, just let me know. And also, whatever I just discussed here, the regular commands, push, pull, clone, branch, these are very important. Work on it. Branching also. Clear? I can merge in only main branch only. That is the final one, right? Shiva? Shravan. If I merge it into test again test and dev finalize that, come into that, these are the finals. Clear now, online team? So we can, I supposed to complete 10:20, but it is extended to 10:45. Okay, anyway, take rest, guys. Don't do anything for today. Watch good movie. Start tomorrow. We don't have class tomorrow, okay? Yes, small request to everyone. Please don't send messages after 12 year. I can understand you. You are doing maybe night shift, right? But I'm not, right? You are just one to one. You're asking, sir, I stuck here at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Okay. Please understand. After 11, if really important, if you have an interview, just tell me before, sir. I have interview. I'm going to work late night also. I need your support. Means I will stay sometime. But without any intimation, 2 a.m., you just send some message again after half an hour. Again question mark. Sir, where is your response? Understand it, guys, please. Okay. Happy weekend to all. Okay. Bye. See you. We'll meet Monday.